Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the chessboard on Chess application using your mobile device. To change the chessboard on your chess.com app, first of all, open the Chess application on your mobile device and log into your account. From the home page, tap the More button at the bottom right hand corner. From the More menu, tap on Theme. From the Themes option, you will be able to select different piece styles for your board. Choose one of the options and then you will be able to select the board. After you are done making a selection, go back and then you will be able to change the theme as well as the board style on Chess. So that is how you can easily change the board on Chess application. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech for Gamers for more videos like this. I will be back with more tutorials again. Thank you for watching.